Let's go!
Sir Penri, Knight of the Pitch, a legend etched in Strathglass. Lay of his Comann, slicing air, cutting past. Ghost in the wind, the phantom story matches fast. Echoes of his prowess, a Shinty icon from the past. Hoisting the cup, victory a familiar path. Defender's nightmare dreams shadowed with wrath. Up and down the field, blurry trail he leaves. Tartan hero running wild, weaving his beliefs. Sir Penri of the Strath, taking Shinty to new heights. With a heart ablaze, fearless in the fight from the dawn till the night. Strathglass nation, behind him flags unfurl. Penri strike, the roar, the cheers curl. Eyes like blades, focus never strays. In the Hall of Fame, the name Penri stays. Striding tall through the heather, wind at his heels. Mighty in embrace, the passion, the fields. Written in the rivers, the valleys, the glens. Song of Sir Penri, when legend blends. Yo, Penri on the field, dodging, balling like a cyclone. Slicing through defenders, break bones with just a slide throw. Shinty's Kane, ain't no rain, no struggle. Penri in the game, bust frames, bring trouble. Lyrical, miracle, back swinging the critical. Swerve Penri's pinnacle, his success empirical. Flashing cans at my news, super to the visual. Gotta respect the game when Penri takes the interval. Sir Penri of the Strath, taking Shinty to new heights. With a heart ablaze, fearless in the fight from the dawn till the night. Yo, Penri on the field, dodging, balling like a cyclone. Slicing through defenders, break bones with just a slide throw. Shinty's Kane, ain't no rain, no struggle. Penri in the game, bust frames, bring trouble. Penri of the hand and Penri stays. Strathglass nation, behind him flags unfurl. Penri strike, the roar, the cheers curl. Penri strike, the roar, the cheers curl. Penri strike, the roar, the cheers curl. From the dawn till the night. Till Penri on the field dodging, balling like a cyclone.
Oh, yes.